Okay, so I'm back to documenting my Facebook project, and in this video and possibly some subsequent videos, what I want to do in these is I'm going to show you how I created the post and the UI. I'll show you how I loaded the data from the Facebook post into my database. I've already showed you how I load the members list. I gave you a demonstration. I pulled a brand new members list from the PTSD support group for everyone group. I went into detail as to how I make the members list, how I make the cumulative daily members, the cumulative monthly members, etc. But I haven't showed you how I load the data from the post. Meaning, let me get this up here. Meaning I've got a bunch of posts here in this folder. How do I load the data from something like this to go into my to go into my database? And then of course I showed you the UI that it is loaded on. The post. I showed you the UI. And let me get this off the screen here. Let me see if I can pull you up an example. You probably, if you've got this, you've already seen an example of my UI, but let me see if I can find an example of my UI. Okay, so here's an example of my user interface for my Facebook application that I've created. And as I've told you before, at least I think I have, but the data that from this post, that's on this post in my UI, comes ultimately from my database. It is loaded from my database. And so the step-by-step process is first, I get the users list. I get the users lists for the autism groups. Then I combine those users lists into a master users list, and I'm going to go over that process in this video. So say that I've got 50,000 users. So for instance, like on tables like this, I've got high functioning autism users. I got this table, for instance. Okay, and so I've got 7793 users here in this table. I have got however many. Let me see here. Let's pull another one here. Go to autism, family, and support users. Send to SQL. Select all statements. I've got. Okay. And here's the problem here. I've got to load this database. I've got to load this. Oh, wait a minute. Nope, never mind. Let me see here. This is the one I've got. As I'm explaining these videos, I've started a new database for this demonstration. This Facebook Site 4 database. The site that I've been showing you up to this point has been on the Facebook 2 site database over here. So I've got a new schema. And we're starting with a blank database, just like I would have started out with when I started this one, except for I've already took the step. I've got the users list. We're pretending like that. No, damn it! Look at this garbage. Where did this go? This high functioning autism awareness and support. Okay, let me go to my groups table here. Something going on here. And actually, this is good. I can test these tables to see if I've even got data. So we have 7793 there. Okay, that's right. Asperger's life support users. I'm going to do this the short way. I think it's a short way. And what I'm doing here, I've been loading members lists onto my new database, and I had when I was working on this project yesterday, early in the morning, I screwed up and I deleted a bunch of data from my Facebook Site 2 database. I've been getting that data back. What I did is after I got the data back, I loaded it from Facebook Site 2 onto Facebook Site 4, and apparently there's some of these that I haven't got the data back yet. And so let's go here to Asperger's users. Okay, we'll go support with adult Aspies. And this is how it works doing this crap. You're always screwing up when you're doing something like this. It's really annoying. Always something going on. If I work, if I work slower on each step of the process, I've got high functioning autism users. There's 2 groups. Okay. And then we got 3, 4, 5. I'm supposed to have 6 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5. Okay, and then this is the last one. Okay, so right now we don't have any groups in that, but let's see if we got members here. We've already tested that one. But there are different ways to go about this. If you take really careful steps and double check everything on your first go at the process, you don't have bugs like this that pop up. But I just like to rush through it, and a lot of times when I'm doing something like this, an exercise like this, I rush through everything. And it's a shorter total time process. Okay, so from these 6 groups, I have gotten members for all of them except autism family and support users. I got to look at my groups table here. Okay, autism and family support users. Okay, so what I've got to do now is I've got to import some data and get this autism and family support users table. Okay, let me see if I've got, hopefully this will drop this table right here real quick. Okay, let's see if this works. Okay, and so what's happening here is there's no data in this table. Okay, that's why it uploads so fast. So let's drop this again. Okay, well, it's not even up there to drop. So let me go here. And what happened yesterday, I was going to load. Okay, now this looks like this might be. I was trying to load a blank database from Facebook Site 2. I was trying to load a blank database structure onto Facebook Site 4. And what I did inadvertently is I loaded blank databases back to Facebook Site 2. So essentially my entire Facebook Site 2 database was deleted, and thank God I had a backup of almost all the data. Some of the data I've got to get back. I had to get back some of it yesterday. Had to run some programming scripts. Okay, so now we should be good. We should have autism family support users. We should have some users here. God, what is this? Okay, I have this going to Facebook Site 4. What the hell? This is, yeah, I'm sorry, but 119 kilobytes is a lot. 119 megabytes, I'm sorry, is a lot for a blank table. I think this is wrong. Go here to another users table. Here. Yeah, so this is, yeah, something's up here. Autism and family support users, okay? I need to redo this. Okay, this should be, okay, now, God dang it. I've got Facebook site 2. On the wrong, where's the SQL tab that I started? God dang it. Find this SQL file that I created. Okay, here we go. Okay, so this video has been kind of worthless to anyone who doesn't care about the technical aspect of this, but actually probably so you can find it's educational. Okay, so we've got 16,655 users in this table. Now, I guess I'll start another video to go over this. I've wrote a script that will combine these users into the master users table. So you saw this. I've got these users lists, and if you well, here, let's get a new tab. These other tables, okay, my base table, so my master users list, I was working on this yesterday. It should be, I should have deleted it. Okay, so I've got nothing in my master users table. Actually, let me go back to this. I'm incredibly lazy, and in terms of I don't like to ever have to do any extra work. It's hard to tell which one of these is faster. I'm mainly typing it and then using the thing. Okay, so I've got nothing in my posts table. Got nothing in my post components table. Got nothing. We'll go ahead and just do all these comments. Sub comments. Okay. And I have nothing in my group members tab. Okay, so we'll go over these one at a time. You will see that I have nothing in any of these. Okay, so we go to post, nothing in post, post components, nothing in post components. And again, this is on my Facebook 4 database. Nothing in comments. Nothing from sub comments. Nothing in group members. Okay, so you see that I'm at the starting point here, and this is where I started on when I started this Facebook site too. I started with some members lists like these and some empty tables, you know, just like these. I empty post components, comments, sub comments, group members, and then you know I went from there. And we'll pick this up in the next video. I'm going to attempt to execute this script that I wrote. To load the members tables into the group members, into the master users table, and also the group members table. I'll explain to you how these tables work and how this process works, so that all this data ends up on my UI.